Hello everyone. In the last video, we discussed about the 7 crystal system with their examples and explanation. In this video, we will going to discuss about axes in crystal system. How axes are located in crystal system, here we discuss in detail. This position of the axis in crystal gives us an idea how the crystal is located in 3 dimension. Here we discuss 7 crystal system one by one related to their axis. We start it from cubic crystal system. The crystallographic axes used in this system are equal in length and are mutually perpendicular, occurring at right angle to one another. Here, all 3 axes A, B, C are equal in length and all are perpendicular to one another. Then, tetragonal crystal system. In tetragonal crystal system, 3 axes are present. The 2 horizontal axes which lie in the same plane are of the same length, while the vertical axis is of a different length and may be either shorter or longer than the other 2. It means 2 A and B of the 3 axes are equal in length and lying in one plane, while third axis is perpendicular to these 2 axes, that is C. Then next one is the orthorhombic. In case of orthorhombic, 3 axes are at the right angle to each other and they are different in length. That is, all 3 axes A, B, C are unequal in length and all are perpendicular to one another. Then next one is the rhombohedral or the trigonal. Angles and axes in trigonal system are similar to hexagonal system. At the base of hexagonal system, there will be 6 sides. In the trigonal system, there will be 3 sides. All 3 axes A, B, C are equal in length and none of the axes is perpendicular to one another. But the crystal faces all have the same size and shape. Then next one is the hexagonal crystal system. The hexagonal crystal system are referred to 3 crystallographic axes which intersect at 120 degree, and this 4th axis is usually depicted vertically. It means the 4th axis intersect other 3 axes at right angle, like this. Of the 4 axes A, B, C and W, 3, that is A, B, C, are equal in length and are separated by equal angle 120 degree and lie in the same plane, while the 4th axis W is perpendicular to the plane of other 3 axes. Then next one is the monoclinic crystal system. It comprises of 3 axes where 2 are at a right angle to each other and the 3rd axis is inclined. All 3 axes are of a different length. All 3 axes, that is the A, B, C, are unequal in length and 2 axes are perpendicular to each other. Then, and the 7th and the last crystal system is the triclinic crystal system. Triclinic crystal system, also known as anorthic crystal system. It is a crystal system with the lowest symmetry. In this system, there are no restrictions on angles or sides like this. All three axes, that is A, B and C, are unequal in length and none of the axes is perpendicular to one another. The French crystallographer Auguste Brevis established that in a three-dimensional space only 14 different lattices may be constructed. These 14 different lattice structures are thus termed as Brevis lattices. The Brevis lattices are also called as Brevis classes or Brevis arithmetic classes or Brevis flocks. There are 7 different kinds of crystal systems, and each kind of crystal system has 4 different kinds of centerings or unit cell, that is primitive unit cell, base centered, body centered and the face centered unit cell. However, not all of the combinations are unique. Some of the combinations are equivalent while other combinations are not possible due to symmetry reason. This reduces the number of unique lattices to the 14 Brevis lattices. Brevis proved that lattice points can be arranged in a maximum of 14 types. Every crystal system does not have all the 4 types of unit cell. If it is possible, then total Brevis lattices becomes 28. 7 is of a crystal system and 4 types of a different unit cell. If you multiply 7 by 4, then it is a 28. But actually, because of a symmetry reason, the structures are to be repeated. So, the number of Brevis lattices is decreases from 28 to 14. So, only 14 types of Brevis lattices are possible. There are only 14 types of space lattices corresponding to 7 crystal system. The 14 lattices which are corresponding to 7 crystal system are known as Brevis lattices. Here a table is given in which first column is for the serial number, second crystal system, and remaining 4 columns are for the 4 unit cell, that is the primitive, body centered, face centered and the base centered or the end centered. Then here we go with a cubic crystal system. In cubic crystal system, first 3 types of unit cells are possible, that is the primitive, body centered and the face centered. Base centered or end centered is not possible. Then tetragonal. In case of tetragonal crystal system, 2 types of unit cells are possible, primitive and the body center. Similarly, in case of orthorhombic system, it is one of the crystal system in which all 4 types of unit cells are possible. Next one is the rhombohedral crystal system. In case of rhombohedral crystal system, only one type of, that is primitive unit cell is possible. The next one is the hexagonal. In case of hexagonal crystal system, only one type, that is the primitive type of unit cell is occur. In monoclinic system, 2 types of unit cells are there, that is the primitive and the base centered. Last one is the triclinic crystal system. In case of triclinic crystal system, there is only one type of unit cell is occur, that is the primitive unit cell. In this table, unit cells, crystal system and the brevis lattices are summarized in a tabular form. In the first column, types of unit cells are given. There are 4 types of unit cell, that is the primitive, body-centered, base-centered and the base-centered. In second column, the 7 crystal systems are there: cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, rhombohedral, hexagonal, monoclinic and triclinic. While in a last column, 14 brevis lattices are there. Cubic crystal system consists 3 brevis lattices, 3 type of brevis lattices. Tetragonal 2, orthorhombic all 4, rhombohedral 1, hexagonal 1, monoclinic 2, triclinic 1. In this way, the total of the brevis lattices becomes 14. Friends, I hope you like this information about the access in crystal system and brevis lattices. If you like this, then subscribe my YouTube channel and like and share the videos as well as give your valuable comments. Thank you.